Hey everyone, welcome to the Mastering Tech Insights. Today we are diving into one of the most important, powerful, and in demand skill in the world of AI, prompt engineering. You probably heard of ChatGPT, Gemini, Midjourney, and others AI tools, but you have ever wondering why some people get mind-blowing result while others get completely nonsense. The difference is how they prompt. Let's explore what prompt engineering really is, how it works, and how you can master in it so to create your own AI powered magic. Let's deep dive into the systems step by step. Let's see how it works. So first of all, let's take 10 game changes Gemini prompt from learning to productivity. Let's say teach me like I am 5 years old. Let's explain me complex topic like stock market in the simplest way as I am a 5 years old. So let's start. So you can see the Gemini will explain. Okay, this is big store and tell the teeny piece of your favorite companies like piece of company making favorite cartoons, your favorite snacks. So you can see, so very well explained here. Okay, shares when you buy tickets, your own teeny little pieces of that company. Now you are powerful. So you can see how easily, how simplify your prompt. So similar way, if you ask here, same question you can ask here, what are the advantage and disadvantage of stock market as I am 5 years old. So you can see the advantage very well explained. The company you owned piece does great things. So you can see how good explain, okay, advantage and the disadvantage you can see. So similar way, if you ask summarize some of YouTube or any your favorite podcast you want to summarize. So if let's see one.
It's about American visas. The US is changing the rules again, and this could impact thousands of Indian families. The US is ending.
So let's see. So okay, you can see now whole YouTube. We no need to see, but here the important the rule changes. US government the change the rule. You can see the impact rules, how AI, how master in here. So you don't need to see whole the video. You just need to summarize. You need to understand what exactly the you looking for. You no need to watch full video. Okay, you can summarize YouTube podcast. You can YouTube stories, you can see that. Similar way, we can break down. Okay, you can break down the timelines. So how we can do that? Let's see. Create timeline. Okay. You can create the timeline. You can create a timeline of important events for any project or topics. You can do if you need any events or timelines, you can break down here. Okay, so similar way you can put here the timelines of stories, any historical topics. Okay, for example, Panipat war. Okay, the event timeline will be breakdown. You can see. Yeah, very effectively. How you give the prompt, it's matter. Similar way you can do like you can write the what are the common maths or factors about particular facts about particular topic. You can write here. So anything you are the what are the common myths or facts and facts about the topic, you can write here. So similar way you can prompt like what choice between you can write like particular if I am between option A or option B. So if you are not decided with pros cons or recommendations, so you can write here option 1 or option 2. Like this is the command, right choice between option A and options B, help me decide the with pros cons and recommendations. So it's the decision helps. So similar way you find like explain like a professors, explain me prompt engineering like a explain prompt engineering in an advanced in deep way as if teaching college student. So if I write down here, so beautiful way prompt engineering explain me here. Theoretically, here is fundamental statistic language model. Prompt engineering far more than a simply ask a questions. It is a discipline of designing and redefining inputs prompts to the optimized result, guide a large language model. You can see how easily and how beautiful explained here. You can see how beautiful explains everything, very beautiful. Okay, I just written here explain prompt engineering in advance in depth way if teaching college students. You can see. And here is one more example. Let's go one more example like industry trends. So you can see what are latest trend going in IT industry with examples. So you can see here what IT industry going on, top trends in the IT. Like you can see here generative AI and agent AI. So artificial intelligence how works here, you can see here with examples how prompt engineering works here, you can see. Okay, practical applications how it works. You can give anything. Okay, how concept or theory using real life modern industries. So you can put here. There are a lot of things I just highlighted and written here. Content writing, you can, I all those things I put in the description. You can go and collect there. So all those things I put in my descriptions. So you can write down something like if you want to, if write any paragraph to make more clarity or preservative or professional, then content also you write here more professional or more beautifully. You can paste here your content. If your content put here, you rewrite the paragraph, make more clear and professional, you will get here. So now let's discuss how to use AI for learning. Okay, first of all, your mindset very clear. Okay, your questions, whatever you asking the questions, act as a rule. Okay, tell it to be used, tell it to be your tutor, easier review, exam the questions generator, or even a debate coach. So as a format like get response, as build points, mind maps, real life case studies, or even secret questions answers. Okay, so set restrictions. So limitation, restrictions means कि set a restrictions, limit response to dynamic sources, require explanation in 100 words, or simplify concept of 10 years old. So the result you will get accordingly. Okay, create a task. Okay, request a study guide, flashcards, research summarize. Okay, critical things, questions. For example, act as a experienced professor in physics, create structures in 4-week study plan for quantum mechanism, provide easy opening, simplify explanation for a 10 years old, and include real world applications. So it will be more easy, you will learn anything 10x fast. Okay, if I ask similar questions to the Gemini, how it responds, this is the way you will ask the questions. The Gemini will explain you, or ChatGPT will be explain you very professionally, or very easily understand everyone. Okay, how explain it? Very well. Let's, what question we ask to Gemini, similar way you can ask to the ChatGPT. Okay, if you will ask to the ChatGPT, so in ChatGPT you can ask same questions, same way. I will provide all those prompt in my descriptions. You will collect all them and you can get from there. We will discuss 8 DeepSeek prompt to supercharge productivity and focused. So best procrastinations prompt is, let's give me science back pain, overcome procrastinations and building momentum daily. So if I ask these questions, let's see. You can see very fantastically daily, weekly, how you will make your roadmap, how you will daily routine, how it will be works. So everything gives provide DeepSeek. Yeah? It's beautifully explained. Everything. Okay. The daily launch routines. Okay. How you start your day, what you will do in whole the day. So everything explained very beautifully here. You can see. Okay. Similar way. Similar way. Best focus better while studying. So search. So let's give a prompt. Share five protein techniques. Stay focused and avoid distractions while study. So or working. How you will not distractions. So give the. Okay. Okay, turn off on do not disturbs focus mode. So how it implement. So computer your website block freedom code focused on your work, block social media and other distraction sites during your work hours environment. Inform others you are focus block. No noise cancellation headphone. Create a dedicated. Okay. Time blocking. How your day will be you focused. Okay. 2 minutes rules. You can accordingly. So your daily routine, how what time you will go to the sleep, when you will wake up, everything provide. Okay. You can ask very beautiful. You can ask your weekly plan. So if let's ask something like help me create a weekly plan that balance to work, rest and learning and my achieve my goals. So you can write here you will get the answers. So here you focused your prompt. So you can see, just see how beautiful it is fantastic. It is fantastic. No, it is not possible without AI. Okay, you cannot imagine. So of course you can see here. Okay, time blocking, everything you how you will you work and deep goals, learn and growth, administration and maintenance and rest and regulations. So everything you can see here. Here how create the plan sheet, your balance weekly plan sheet. Okay, so monday what you need to do, what are the time planning, launch timing, everything mentioned every weekly. Okay, so so you need to give the right prompt. Actually what you need, that should be you clear in your mind. So let's blocking your use blocking efficiency. So explain how to implement time blocking. Okay, if you are very busy, so how to blocking your time. So explain how to implement time blocking for productivity, work from home schedule. How you will do that? You just give the prompt and very beautifully explains. Okay, work from home, it is very difficult nowadays. So step by step implementation, how you can do this. Look how beautifully explained whole day, when you will morning routine start, what is will be your plan day or process quick tasks, when you will draft your client proposal, how to when you will take your breakfast, communication block, lunch break. How beautifully explained. So you need to, if you need to anything modify, you can do that. Okay, so let's see, build your habit that sticked. Okay, build your habit that sticked. Give me prompt that give me to build and trick new habits for 30 days using quotes, rewards, everything. Okay, how do you build habits? You can take a printout and just stick with what he is giving to you. Let's see 30 days plans, how give to us. Okay, what you need to do, day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, phase 1, steps defined, rules defined, how you will one habits that you want to build. So like exercise, read more, eat better. Good example like 2 10 push up after my morning coffee. So beautifully draft what you need. Okay, let's nowadays, digital is the very complicated. So everyone start the using digital, like a mobile, tv, a lot of things. So let's improve digital culture strategy. How we digitally create that, like create a step by step plans to reduce my digital culture and distractions across my device. So let's write a prompt. So how you need to write a prompt and you get the answers very beautifully. Mainly you need to give you need to give proper prompt. Okay, so what actually your requirement. Okay, so create step by step plans to reduce digital culture and distractions across my device. So you can see here page foundation of adult and mindset day 1. So understand the scope of problem and set your intentions. So you can see full draft. So you can give deep sea. You just go and draft like this. Let's see or create a work culture like we don't want to distraction in work. So help me schedule 2 hours of deep and focused work daily. No interruption. So if you will ask, so he will give you, of course, the core work culture, everything step by step explain. You can see very beautifully explained. Well, give proper prompt what exactly you need. Okay, so let's talk about 10th things DeepSeek AI can help you with improve your writing skill. So you need to give properly. You once you draft your okay, so improve your writing skill. Prompt like you write your draft and that draft paste here, and please you write need to prompt like please proficient the text above, correct grammar, spelling mistakes and other ideas that will make your written very cloudly and very professionally. That's you can mention chairs like if you want to learn new skills. So like prompt, I want to learn a particular skills name. I am a beginner or I am an intermediate. So create a 30 days learning plans that will be help beginning like from learner improve my skills. So you can put like similar way. So if you want to solve complex problem, so prompt like I have a particular difficulty, like I have difficulty to learn English, help me understand better by the using faster principle of things. So similar way, if you want to boost your memory, if you forget everything, if you want to boost your memory, you just written a prompt like I am currently learning about AI, converting the key lessons from this topic into engaging story and optimize your memorizations. Okay, like this. If you want to achieve some goals, so you can write your prompt like using smart frameworks to achieve particular goals. Break it down into step by step, specific and measurable and achievable and reliable, and the timeline, time bounds, so you will be able to achieve that goals. So there are many way. So what exactly you want and how you want to, what is actually your need. So let me ask one prompt like connect with others. So how can I connect with others? Connect me with community of learning or expert in particular topics like AI or YouTube, anything. How can I join a formula, social media groups, other online community to share my knowledge and learn from others? So you can give the prompt. The prompt will be reply. You will be schedule a step of everything and provide you the perfect informations. So let's discussions learn from mistakes. Prompt: I made a mistakes while practicing. Insert the skill. What exact skill you are want to learn particular skills. Can you explain what went wrong and how can I avoid mistakes, the same mistakes in the future? So you can write the prompt like this. Okay, similar way, if you want to learn to earn more writings, train it to learn your writing skills. So you give the particular prompt like analysis the text below for the styles, voice and tones. Create a prompt to new paragraphs in the same styles, voice and tones. Insert your text. So it will be give you properly. So everything I will draft in my in the descriptions, you get from there. Okay, you can similar way personalize your planning, learning planning, principle of learning faster, everything. So you can do like this. So it will be save your lots of hours. Okay, so in inbox, if you want to, so let's talk about career sites. Okay, so what I have already here. Okay, already here I have already in your career, if you want to like 10 prompt deep seek prompts that get you sharp shape of your career's insights and research to help. So you can write down here, so what skills are currently most in demands for the job particular. Okay, you can give the prompt like this. Secondly, list top companies hire for particular roles and locations. Okay, explain the career growth path for particular job titles. What certification boost a career in fields? Okay, in particular field you can boost here. Describe day in day tasks in tasks of jobs, so you can put particular jobs. So what are the key challenges faced in industry, particular industry, so you can mention here. How to negotiate salary for particular roles in particular country, like in India there is something different, if you are go to Germany something different, if you are in US something different. So what remote jobs options are available in the particular field, you can ask here. Compare 10 culture between company A and company B. It is fantastic. Okay, so tips for transaction from current job to targeted job, so you can put like shape of your careers, something like this. So that I will put all the things in the descriptions. This video, very goes very long. So today prompt engineering, that's all. In next video I will add more how you will write your prompt, and you will get better result for your career, for your work. How can you will get more insights from AI. So that's we will discuss more. So in future, let me explain you some fantastic tools, like you try seed ramps. It is also best good one. You can try openarts.ai. It will be fantastic. Openarts AI, it will also give you prompt engineering. We will talk later on this, and also we'll talk others, like my favorite one of these, like studio.gemini AI. Okay, how banana image created, lot of things we'll discuss on later on. Thank you for watching. For more insights, please subscribe the channels. Thank you so much.